Good morning, CMS. Today is Monday, September 28th. We're going to need to stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, so for today's lunch menu, you have choice A, oven-baked chicken leg, mini muffin, mashed potatoes and gravy, coleslaw, applesauce, and fresh fruit. Choice B, Bosco stick with marinara. In case you didn't know what a Bosco stick was, it's basically a stick of bread with cheese in it. And then you get marinara sauce. I actually didn't know what it was until I, probably about 3 days ago, found out. Pretty tasty. Breakfast is yogurt with strawberry cup and milk. Now, Tuesday's choice, you get cheese ravioli with marinara and Parmesan cheese, garlic Texas toast, seasoned corn, side salad, mixed fruit, and fresh fruit. Choice B, sausage pizza. Breakfast is chocolate cherry bar, banana, and milk. Now make sure you are filling out your lunch form. It's very important that you fill out that form. I can't stress that enough that you need to do that. Okay, with that being said, Cloverleaf Hot Stove Baseball. If you're interested in the Hot Stove Baseball program, please pick up a flyer outside the office in the Student Information Center. There will be a meeting on Saturday, October 10th at the Westfield Baseball Fields. It's going to go from noon to 1:30, ages 10U and 11U, and then 2 p.m. to 3:30 p.m., ages 12U and 13U. Parents and players should arrive approximately 15 minutes prior to their time slot. Now, Student Council will be hosting our Socktober Drive from October 12th to October 16th. Socktober is a national movement where socks are collected and donated to local needy homeless before the cold weather begins. The socks collected will be given to the Lodi Family Center and the Battered Women's Shelter. Any donated socks should be new. Not used. That's kind of weird. Why would you give used socks, possibly with holes in them? You don't want to do that. You want to give new socks. We've collected 1,350 pairs of socks last year and are hoping to beat that number this year. In school students, bring your donations to home base during the week of October 12th. Remote learning students, a bin for easy drop-off will be provided outside of the cafeteria doors during the week of October 12th. Now, we have Cloverleaf Spirit Week coming up. That is Monday, September 28th through Friday, October 2nd. That's next week. Wait, that's this week because it's Monday. All right, so the first day, Monday, September 28th. That's today, America Red, White, and Blue Day. So make sure you're wearing your red, your white, and your blue. Tuesday, September 29th is Tropical Day. Get out your Hawaiian shirt and some flowers or something like that. Then we've got Pajama Day, September 30th. Put your PJs on, get your comfy clothes on. It is Pajama Day. Thursday, October 1st is Camo Day. Pretty sweet. Not going to see everybody because you're hiding in camo. All right, Friday, October 2nd is Cloverleaf Spirit Day. Make sure you're wearing your Cloverleaf Spirit gear. Now, we've got some shout-outs. 6th grade shout-out goes to, drum roll please, Aubrey Willig. Today's 7th grade shout-out goes to Marin Crow. And the 8th grade shout out goes to Abigail Gray. Congratulations. Now we go out to the teacher shout out. Drum roll please. Miss Tomask. Awesome. Now, on the bulletin board, you'll notice that we have Picture Day, October 9th. I've made a lot of announcements on it. Hopefully you didn't miss those. That is on October 9th. Now, the quote of the day is VRS. Only I and you can break the chain. Now, stop for just a moment and think about that. Only I and you can break the chain. VRS. All right, I know it's early in the morning, but there you go. Now, students, remember your Colt pride. Be responsible, be respectful, and be safe. Okay, that's a wrap. Have a happy Monday, Cloverleaf students. Be blessed.